In today's video, I'm going to show you my bedroom and my bathroom. Jason did a pros and cons video of the kitchen and living room. We had a lady that commented asking to see my bathroom and my closet, so let's check it out. So here's my bedroom. It is 10 by 12. I have a queen size bed. We added in all the flooring. It's just a wood vinyl. I believe it's like a hand scraped is what they called it. The bedroom has an end table on each side of the bed. I love my long windows that we got. We got them at Habitat for Humanity for $12 each. And then this window I believe was $25 or so. You can see that we have the fake shiplap that we made. I'm going to go back and redo all this like I did in the living room and kitchen area. It's going to look more like this. But the up there you can see I didn't finish it because I was going to go back and redo the other shiplap. Got my Longhorns up there. Jason made these barn doors. I believe they're each 2 feet wide, so it's a 4-foot gap in the middle. I have a TV stand. It's just out in the barn right now. I need to bring it back in. Got a 55-inch flat screen. Do have smoke detectors. I recommend everybody getting those. My source of heat in the bedroom is this bad boy. Cost me $100 from Walmart. Works great. So in here we have a 10-foot tall ceiling. I got a nice ceiling fan. Cools down the area fairly well. So we're going into my bathroom now. It's a 12 by 6 bathroom. I decided to not go with a full tub, so I went with the stand-up shower. I believe the shower is 5 feet wide, and we did the porcelain tile about 7 feet tall. We had went with just regular curtains. It would allow water to get out on the floor. I just didn't like it, so I went to Home Depot and bought glass doors my brother installed. These ran me about $500. I absolutely love it. I like the way the porcelain tile came out. My brother did most of the work on that also. We got the, I believe it's like a scraped, like bronze look for the handles. Like I said, the shower goes up pretty tall. It goes up to about 7 foot. There's the shower head. I added in this cabinet here. It just helps fill in this little gap that I had here on the side of the vanity. Just have some knickknacks there, some bathroom supplies, and then I have my shoes down here. So here's the bathroom cabinet and sink area. I went with the farm style sink. I like the way it just sits on top of the counter. We went with wood countertops. Have all the plumbing underneath. We built the cabinets ourselves. Every cabinet opens. We're able to hide a bunch of stuff underneath there. Went with this mirror from Home Depot. I believe at the time cost me like $70, but it's nice and big. And then up here we went with the farm style lights. I like the way they came out. It just ties in the whole farm style look. I have the toilet area over here. I went with the faux brick wall like we did in the kitchen. Still has a lot of work to do. Like I said, we have the fake shiplap in here also. We're going to go back and replace all that with the tongue and groove. I have one floating shelf for now. I'm going to go ahead and put another one up above it. My closet goes up 10 feet and is about 3 feet wide. Enough to have 2 different racks for clothing. And then I also have enough area to have a little dresser at the bottom. If you have any questions or would like to see something else in the house, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll try to make another video shortly. Once again, thanks for checking out our video, and we'll see you next time.